The exhaust down.
Did it break?
Yeah. Too close.
Who said Stuart Little? Dude, imagine this with a Stork Fork powertrain and maybe some suspension and a big wing. Porsches don't stop, they keep going. Gonna lose your life. We're out. Hey. Hey, thank you, you too. Incredible handling. Zero body roll. Look at these cheap ass cars. They print these out like money. This one is only one of them. What's up, gentlemen?
I'd rather have one of these than one of those, honestly. Pretty sure it's cheaper, a little cheaper.
Yeah, a little bit cheaper. Whoa! Get an air on this thing.